Hi everyone, what's up? This is Bhuvan from Digital Thrive Media. If you are new to this channel, big hi to you. This is an channel of tutorials, tips and tricks of digital marketing. Please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell notification if you want to notify new updated video of my channel. Alright, picture this. If you are in a journey of turning strangers into a die-hard fan of your brand, but it is not a catchy word, it is a journey of a brand that from a new customer into shout-outing your name. So, today we are breaking down piece by piece marketing funnel in this video. First thing first, what is even a marketing funnel? First, imagine this, you need to turn an onlookers into a die-hard fan. At the top of the funnel, you have awareness, then interest, then desire, and finally the action. If someone thinks that, yep, I'm buying this, but hold on, we are keeping it very simple. We are talking about the basic stuff, the bread and butter of the funnel. So, how do you craft funnel? A marketing funnel is a digital journey. It's all about attracting the visitors, turning them into a lead, and guiding them towards hitting that buy button. But basically, it is playing a match-fixer game with what you are selling, what customers are needed. You could write a most jaw-dropping copy in the world, but without a solid funnel in the place, it's like shooting in the wired. Let me break down into a simple IDA model. Keep in touch with this channel. We are coming up with the next video called IDA model. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe this channel, Digital Thrive Media.